What's up, guys? Today we are looking at these anxiety fidget spinner rings. So I have two of these, and basically what they are rings that you can fidget with, and they spin like so. And what they're supposed to do is they're supposed to be a way to reduce anxiety by fidgeting. You know, the fidget spinners and the fidget gadgets that you see? They're used in order for that. And you can get them in all types of different styles as well. You can get double ring spinners and spinners that have different designs, different shapes, different textures and stuff. These are just plain black with a black spinner. Um, so yeah, so some of the people call it a meditation ring. So they would I guess you know the way like when you pray you do rosary beads. You'd kind of use this to inhale, and then you spin it the other way to exhale and stuff like that. It's just um, a way of using the ring itself. Also, it's supposed to soothe your mind and relax so you can kind of focus on something else. It's a distraction. And I've also heard that it helps with people giving up smoking, or if they had bad habits and stuff like biting their nails, or doing something fidgety with their hands. Like yeah, so these are the two rings that I got. Just gonna measure the size. This one's a size 9. This one is a size 8. Yep, and there we have it. We have fidget spinner rings. These are very addictive. All right, peace out. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.